Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In today's tutorial, I will showing what to do if Snapchat add friends not working. Firstly, you need to open your Snapchat app. Then on the top right corner, tap on add friends. When you enable your contacts on your Snapchat, then quick add option will be shown on the add friends. Now we can add friends from quick add, and this is how we can add friends on Snapchat. This works completely fine for me, but what if that doesn't work? There might be a reason that your Snapchat is not updated, so you can check that by going to Play Store and on the click bar search Snapchat. If there is any update to your Snapchat, then update button will be shown, otherwise open button will appear. And here our Snapchat has not been updated, so let's update. For now I'm updating later. So the next option is go back to your home page and tap on settings, scroll down and tap on apps. When you enter on the apps, tap on all apps. On the search bar, click over there and search Snapchat. After that, when you enter on your Snapchat, then tap on storage and cache and then tap on clear storage, and a pop-up will be shown where you will be asked delete app data. Then tap on delete, and this is how you can add friends on Snapchat. Next step is you can also reinstall your Snapchat, and after that your add friends on Snapchat will start working.